What's up guys, Dave here, back with another episode, and in this video we are going to be unboxing and building a GT racing chair. The folks over at GTRacing.com went ahead and sent me this chair. They told me I had to check it out, so you know what we got to do. We're going to pop this box open, get everything out, put it all together, and I'm going to let you know what I think. So sit back, relax, grab that popcorn, and let's get this party started now. Bang! Look at that! GT Racing! Alright guys, so this is the chair. As you can see, the armrests are fully adjustable. You have a footrest. The back is reclinable. And I gotta say, it is pretty comfortable. Came together rather easily. My other chair, which you saw in my studio tour, was a bigger process. It was a lot more work. It was a lot more pieces. So I'm actually pretty happy the way this came together, and I'm pretty happy with the comfort level. The seat is actually really soft. It's nice. I can imagine sitting here for hours not really having any pain. I got good support on my back, good support for my neck. All right guys, that's what I have for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll get notified of my next video. Peace. Talk to you in the next one, guys. Later.